Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to create a professional portfolio website using WordPress and also add a payment gateway so that your clients can pay you directly by card. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on WordPress and log in into your WordPress dashboard. Over here, you need to hover over to the appearance section and click on themes. Here you will see a bunch of different free themes which you can basically click on directly and activate for your WordPress website. So from here you can choose any of the portfolio themes like Astra or Neve. So you can just simply scroll to the up and search for the theme. Like if I search for Astra, if you are able to find it, you can just simply click on it and activate that theme. So once you have done that, you need to go to the pages section in the left hand section and click on the option of add pages. Now over here, after clicking on the add pages option, once you are inside the page, you need to create some of the pages like home and click on the option of publish in the top right hand corner of the screen. You need to provide the portfolio, about, and the contact pages over here, and these will show here in the add pages option. Now hover over to the plugins section and click on the add plugins option. Over here you need to install the Elementor plugin. So you can search for Elementor over here, and this is the plugin that you need to download and install and activate it. Now it will come here in the left hand section, so you can just click on it and you can go to the home page of Elementor. With the help of Elementor, you can basically edit your page and use their drag and drop widgets to add the text, images, portfolio, galleries, testimonials, and more. So this gives your website a clean and modern look. So now you need to hover over to the plugin section and click on the add plugins option. Over here you can install some of the payment gateway plugins like WP Simple Pay or WP Forums plus Stripe add-ons. So these are some of the plugins that actually help you to connect to the Stripe account for the payments. So you can add the new page with the name of add page or hire me, and there you can add the payment option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.